Oh, it's working. Yeah. Hey guys. It's been a very long time since I vlogged. But we're back at it again, back in Bosnia. So we are going ice skating today at a nearby park. Let's do it. Also, this is my first time ever using a GoPro to record, so forgive me if the audio sucks. I guess we'll see when I'm editing if it's worthy at all of being used. That's way too close to your face, dude. Okay. Like, anyway, okay. So as I was saying, we're back in Bosnia again in Sarajevo. The last time it was summer, now it's freezing, it's winter. But that means we can do all the cool winter things, such as ice skating. You guys want to say hi to the camera? Oh yeah, by the way, shout out, this is my brother's GoPro. Respect.
Respect is important.
Fun fact, guys, in my jogging vlog from last summer, I used to actually jog this way from down here and then up back to where we came. Whenever I stop to make videos, they never stop for me. Look, they're all the way. I have to catch up to them. For those of you that can relate, you know what it's like. Nobody ever waiting for you. Shoot. Let's go. Oh gosh.
Cut shot.
Basketball ice skating. That would be a great idea. You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Basketball ice skating. For those of you wondering where this is, if you're here during the winter, it's called I'll get back to you on that. I forgot what it's called. So the name of this place, it's called Sarajevo. It's a park in, as you can see over there, Općina Novi Grad, Sarajevo. They have a whole soccer field here, they have running, they have jungle gyms down there, they have cafes over there, they have everything. They have a lot of stuff, a lot of neat stuff here. So Sarajevo, you should check it out if you're over here. During the summer or winter. Does Bosnia have an ice skating team? Because if they did, they'd be really pretty good. Yeah. I have no idea. Pro tip, if you ever go ice skating, bring an extra pair of socks. Because chances are the ice skates will be wet. And you don't want to get your shoes wet now, do you? Overall, what do you think? Not bad. A little louder for the mic. Not bad at all. Overall, that was really fun. It cost some mark, one Bosnian mark, to rent the skates.
It's like 70 pesos.
Yeah. And, yeah, I mean, that was fun. They don't clean the snow or the ice or the snow on the ice or anything, but with a Zamboni or anything. But I mean, what do you expect from? I highly recommend you check it out if you're ever here in the winter or in the summer. Honestly, Sarajevo has it's a great facility. So yeah, the GoPro also survived, which is great. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Something about this place. The ice is really slippery. Which, I mean, it's ice, right?
Why is a licky licky ya one gagat?